is what are the different or modern approaches in the product design. The basically first three approaches are for the your study, concurrent engineering, quality deployment function, which is also called as house of quality, and rapid prototype. We go one by one. So quality deployment function, our house of quality, which is first introduced by Mitsubishi, that is the well-known manufacturer of the cars or automobiles. Okay, in Japan in 1972, the method of structuring what is a quality deployment function is basically is structuring customer requirement, whatever that they are taking, customer requirements are there and they are expressing in terms of technical specifications. So these 2 points kindly note, कस्टमर रिक्वायरमेंट किंवा नीड ऑफ कस्टमर आपण म्हणू आम त्याला टेक्निकल स्पेसिफिकेशन मध्ये ट्रान्समिट करायचे. ओके, QFD method of structuring the product planning and development that enable the development to specify clearly what customer want or it needs. Okay. For example, need a four-seater vehicle. So what it should be BHP, what should be the efficiency, what should be the safety features in the car, what should be the drive type, it is manual or automatic. So that are the needs of the customer for the four-wheeler. Okay. So that are the needs and that you want to require to convert into technical specifications. Okay. With the help of some, some product planning or development. Okay. So three important aspects. One is input from the customer, that is the customer needs or customer requirement. Then second is how to meet those customer demand or requirement technically. So that is the technical specification. Okay. And that is also called as a QFD, that is quality deployment function is also called as a house of quality. Why? Because you are representing that in the matrix form and here. Okay, and this correlation matrix having the dome shape or a triangular region, so that's why it look like a house. So that's why it is called as also house of quality. Okay, so voice of customer, this is that is the needs of the customer, and you have a technical specification here. So that that can be related with some relationship matrix. Okay. So you also have competitive product competitors, you have some competitive study, okay, operational goals and target and customer competitive assessment are done, and the correlation matrix is a relation between the technical specification and what customer needs. Okay, so this is the house of quality. We go to go again, there is a customer matrix. So in every row or column indicate the matrix in the house of quality. So whatever the horizontal is there, which is the customer needs to the, here you have some technical specification, customer assessment, that is called as horizontal part of the house of quality is the customer matrix. So keep in mind this, you may have some question on house of quality or quality deployment function. Okay, here you can observing the कस्टमर रिक्वायरमेंट. ओके, इम्पॉर्टंट रेटिंग. आता रेटिंग म्हणजे काय झालं, कोणत्या कस्टमर रिक्वायरमेंटला तुम्हाला किती रेटिंग द्यायचं आहे. सपोज प्रिव्हियसली आपण ते एक्झाम्पल कन्सिडर केलं, रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ पॉवर इन अ फोर व्हीलर, रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ सेफ्टी, देन रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ फ्युल इकॉनॉमी, रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ मोड ऑफ ट्रान्समिशन, दॅट इज मॅन्युअल और ऑटोमोबाईल. सो दॅट सपोज सेफ्टीसाठी कुणाची हायेस्ट प्रायोरिटी असेल, कुणाची पॉवरसाठी हायेस्ट प्रायोरिटी असेल, कुणाची गुड लुकिंगसाठी हायेस्ट प्रायोरिटी असेल. बेस्ड ऑन दॅट प्रायोरिटी यू आर गिव्हिंग द इम्पॉर्टंट रेटिंग टू दॅट इंडिव्हिज्युअल नीड. ओके, देन टेक्निकल स्पेसिफिकेशन, सेफ्टीसाठी माझ्याकडे 4 बॅग्स आहेत अवेलेबल की 6 एअर बॅग्स अवेलेबल आहेत. BHP माझ्या व्हेकलचा किती आहे. ओके, देन व्हॉट इज माय कलर, राईट. इन इंडिया most of the customer refer the white color. Why? Because it is considered as शुभ, म्हणजे काय म्हणतात, शुभ मानतो आपण व्हाईट कलरला instead of black, right? So that is one of the major customer requirement. In Indian road you can find more white vehicles than black and all others. Okay, so this is the, you can get a social requirement also. So that is the some requirement. So you are giving the relationship between these requirements, strong, weak, or medium. Okay. Then you have a technical requirement, correlation matrix, evaluation of strength and relation between the voice and the technical requirement. This is the customer section, which is also called as horizontal portion. So this is the house of quality. You are representing the customer requirement with the technical specification with some relationship matrix, strong असेल, weak असेल किंवा medium असेल, or you are representing in the scale of 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is a strong correlating, 1 is poor correlating. Okay. And you have competitor product. So competitor assessment पण इथं done करतात. You are comparing the same segment car. तुम्हाला Hyundai i20 घ्यायची आहे की स्विफ्ट घ्यायची आहे, ह्याच्यावरून तुम्ही दोन्हीचं कंपेअर कराल, राईट, various parameter, and you go to the conclusion. So that is the house of quality is required. कंपनी काय करते, कस्टमरची नीड बघते, कंपॅरेटरला ते प्रोडक्टचा स्टडी करते, त्या रिलेशन टेक्निकल स्पेसिफिकेशन ठरवते आणि त्याच्यानुसार रिलेशनशिप मॅट्रिक्स बनवते. ओके. Then co-current engineering. So this is a simultaneous process you have come across again in design of this. So it is a strategy where all the tasks involved in product development done parallel. Okay. Customer research असेल, designing असेल, marketing असेल, finance असेल, engineering असेल किंवा manufacturing or testing असेल. Initially you are looking to, suppose this is a traditional process which is a linear one. Okay. Customer have a different, then you have some designer, you have some analyzer, you have manufacturing. But in co-current engineering, every member from the team are come together and working on the same problem. So whatever the obstacles are there or big walls are there, that are breaked down. Okay. That are breaked down, and whole team is come together to solve the problem. Okay. This is the commercial again linear process is there. Then 3 years, next concept, standardization, simplification, and specialization in the product design. What do you mean by that? Okay. So that leads to interchangeability. So keep in mind that word, the concept, all these are used for the interchangeability purpose in the product. Standardization is what? The process of establishing the basic specification for set of commonly used characteristics, that is size, shape, and performance of the product. Now in design you have gone through some preferred series. So that is the result of standardization, right? You get certain standards, or suppose you require M10 bolt and which is manufactured by n number of companies. While you are going to market, you are asking for the M20 nut or bolt. So you will only get M20, right? Matrix 10. So M20 साठी तुम्हाला ह्या प्रोडक्टचा वेगळा, ह्या प्रोडक्टचे वेगळे डायमेन्शन नाही आहेत, right? So that is the size and shape and performance parameters of the products are there. Okay. That is the standardization. So producing maximum variety of the product from the minimum variety. That is the material part, tool, or process. Objective of standardization to achieve maximum overall economy for the company, to ensure maximum convenience in use, to ensure uniformity and reduction of variety of the product, the help of quality assurance by improving the quality in every activity. Simplification is what? The concept of is closely related to standardization. It is a process of reducing the variety of the product which will be manufactured. Okay. आता इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर तुम्ही बघितल्या तर 0.5 वॅट हॉर्स पॉवर आपण म्हणू, 1 हॉर्स पॉवर, 2 हॉर्स पॉवर, 2.5, 3, 4 HP, 5 HP, 7.5 HP, 10 HP अशा सिरीजमध्ये भेटतात प्रेफर्ड सिरीज. दॅट इज द सिम्प्लिफिकेशन इज डन विथ द हेल्प ऑफ सर्टन प्रोडक्ट रेंज असेल किंवा असेंब्ली असेल, पार्ट, मटेरियल और डिझाईन. ओके. And specialization, it is the outcome of standardization and simplification. That is the factory producing the spark plug is only specialization in that product. Escape example घेतलं तुम्ही, escape bearing. So that factory, that company having that own standard, and they are specialization producing the ball bearings. Okay. Then what is the product development actually? So product development already told, it is a continuous process. Okay. So 7 stages mainly important: identification of need, then level system testing and refinement, manufacturing of the product, launching, selling and planning for the retirement. So planning for the retirement ज्यावेळी तुम्ही करता, then you are going through new product launching, and that will also come under the S curve. Product design, that is the process involved mostly in the technical work. Okay, and product development is include the complete product development cycle. त्यामध्ये मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग असेल, मार्केट अनालिसिस असेल, तुमचं कस्टमर फीडबॅक असेल, लॉजिस्टिक असेल, सप्लाय असेल, ऑल दॅट कम इन द प्रोडक्ट डेव्हलपमेंट. Product testing, so you have done a quality testing or performance testing also for the product. Okay, the various product testing methods are there, given highly accelerated live test असेल किंवा HFSA असेल, व्हायब्रेशन और शॉक इन केस ऑफ मेकॅनिकल टेस्टिंग असेल, ऑटोमोबाईल ESS एन्व्हायरमेंटल स्ट्रेस स्क्रीनिंग असेल, देन थर्मल और ह्युमिडिटी टेस्टिंग असेल, ॲक्सेलरेटेड लाईफ सायकल मेकॅनिकल एंडुरन्स टेस्टिंग